Hello everyone, I am finally back with a braiding video. I did make a video right before this one showing you how I prep my hair for braids, and I will link it above. So I did use this hair Motown tress in a color TT1B Burgundy, which is like a two-tone color. So I proceed by first of all teasing the hair because I wanted to have a taper look to it versus just having a straight blunt cut. And after doing that, I proceed by like separating the hair to make sure the hair is completely detangled. I have already started doing my hair, and I just came here to show you guys what I'm doing. So I just take sections by sections. Of course, I can't see the back part of my hair, so my parts are not really straight. And I proceed by starting how I do my braid. I start as if I was doing a cornrow, like braiding it to the scalp, and I make sure my hair is divided in the three sections as the extensions. And so I know that right now the knotless braids is very popular, but I haven't gotten a chance to practice on it and to do my hair in that way, so I'm just doing it the old-fashioned way. I mean, and it worked for me. I didn't have any issue with it. So, and plus on this day I had to go to work, so I didn't have time to be learning a new braiding technique. I'm demonstrating the same technique one more time. So I just stick the hair to my head and I divide my own hair in three sections to go with the extensions, and I proceed by just braiding it down. Maybe someday I'll learn how to do the knotless, but right now this is a quick fix for me. And I make sure I braid it all the way down, and then once that's done, I proceed by using this cup right here with hot water just to make the ends a little bit, you know, straighter. So I dip it until I'm satisfied with how it looks, and I do it section by section versus just putting my whole head in hot water. I don't want to burn myself, and I use this Oars Nature Shine that I've been using for years, and I just spray it onto my hair just to have a little bit of shine to my hair. And I'll be back with a wash day, and I'll be back to share me removing my hair and how my transplanted area did. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.